welcome back to my channel, and we got an unboxing. I'm sorry if this feels like it's going to drop on me. It's just my background anyway. So yeah, so this is the Pinkparcel one, and I know it's Pinkparcel because of this black box. Right, okay, so let's just open it. Right, I am just going to go and move this backdrop back a bit. 2 seconds. Right, okay, so now I have done that. Now I'm just going to open this up. As well, if you noticed, I've decided not to straighten my hair. I'm trying to cut down on heat on my hair so it's naturally curly. So yeah, so that's what is up with it at the minute. I just want to be a bit more healthier for my hair. I think that might be one of my New Year's resolutions. Yep, if you have a New Year's resolution this year, please let me know in the comments. I like to know. I'm nosy about New Year's resolutions. That's what they say. Yeah. Some people don't stick to them. I'm one of them, but I am trying not to use so much heat on my hair. Yeah, so this is the Pinkparcel, and this is January's edition. So let's get into it. Right, okay, so this is new. We never had this on before last time. So yeah, it made it a lot more easier. I like that. Sorry if you can hear banging, it's just my son banging around, playing music. Right, okay, so this is, we've got some pieces of card in here, and it says Pinkparcel Positivity Parcel. I don't want to read that. We'll read that one in a few minutes. So yeah, so we've got Cook Up Fresh Start, £40 off if you want. And I think there might be a code. Is there a code? Yeah, so it says just to enter this code and you get £20 off your first and second box. So if you see it, there it is. So there we go. And feed your body with plant-based nutrition. So there we go. So at the minute, I'm currently into drinking a lot of smoothies. Like, I love kale smoothies and spinach. So yes, I think that is another one of my New Year's resolutions. I'm drinking a lot of like smoothies with kale in it and spinach in it, and it seems to be doing good. I do love that. It just really fills you up for longer, and I feel that it's actually working. Yeah, so that's that. Right, also we got in here, we have some panty liners. I think we got panty liners. No, these are the pads, and you get quite a lot of these in here. These is like just to put in your handbag. So you got pads. I ordered the body foam ones because they're really good. You get a choice of, if you have a medium flow, a larger flow, they give you a choice of what you want, and you just pick which ones you want. And also you got some panty liners as well, which comes in handy. So this you just put in your handbag and take with you when you're out and about, and you never run out of pads. And it comes in this nice gorgeous bag as well, and it says for now, so it's pretty, and it's discreet as well in here, so it's really good. So you just put that in your handbag, and then you've got one that's for nighttime use. So these will be all pads, as you see. That's just the nighttime ones, so that's quite good as well. They come in this nice box which keeps them all together. I think it's really a good idea, that box. Yeah, so I'm just fastening that back up. And then you've got this other box which is filled full of pads, and these are again the same ones, so I'll just show you them. Sorry if you can hear noises. It's my son, it's his day off today. He usually is at college, but we're just having an inset day, so there we go. And you see you get loads of pads, and this is the for you box. This is the box that everybody wants. This is the goodie box. It usually has chocolate and usually a tea bag. So here we go. We're gonna open January, so we'll just do it that way. So there you go, you see it. What is it we got? Oh, we got a brow gel. That's fantastic. I love a brow gel. So that's good. And then we got a chocolate bar. Is it a chocolate bar? I think that this might be the chili and lime one. It's milk chocolate, chili and lime. So then we got, what is it? It is a Cooper's Happy Mid Essential Oils Atmosphere Mist. It's quite good. Nice. I don't know. Right, so we got a Weir Tea Peppermint Leaf. I thought there would be a tea. There always is a tea bag in the Pinkparcel box. And we have got a Laritzi. Wow, Laritzi. These is usually expensive. So we've got a Laritzi eye pencil. Wow, that's really amazing. And we got this little bag. What is in this little bag? See that little bag there? That is super cute. I do like it. That's really nice. So what is in here? Well, it looks like we've got some hair ties. So that is, there we go, the hair ties. And we got a pink one and a cream one and a brown one. That really is nice. Then we got a essential nutritional powder, chocolate flavour. Oh, so that is what we got there. That, I suppose, you could just chuck it in and make a smoothie with it. Like, I have been doing a lot of these smoothies, so I will chuck that in and make a smoothie with it. So right, so we're just going to have a look at these. This is the Laritzi eye crayon. And we got a Laritzi eye crayon a couple of months back off Pinkparcel. So this is, there we go, as you'll see, it doesn't say whether it's waterproof or anything like that, but if it's good, it will go in my favourites. So watch out for my favourites, because that will be coming up in January. And so yeah, so what is this one? This one is how to use generally mist throughout the air onto the lines onto linens, not lines. Why did I get lines? Just lines come into my head. I thought of lines and it wasn't, it's linen. Right, so I'm just going to spray a bit on my jumper and let's just see how it is, because I don't want to spray it onto the skin. Like it's going to go onto the skin. Oh, that is amazing. That is definitely going on my duvet cover, because that absolutely, it's like a really nice clean smell. It's like gorgeous. I love that smell. I do. So that is definitely going to use. I'm definitely going to reorder that as well. Right, okay, so then we got this, which is the waterproof brow gel. So let's just have a look at this. Packaging is a bit awkward to get into. I always suffer badly with packaging. Get into it. They don't never ever make it easy, do they? They should do. Make it easy for people to get into. Right, so this is the brow gel, and it's like just going to see if it's a sticky substance. Can't really tell much, but it has no smell. I'm sorry if you can hear banging. That is just my son again. He's just going to bang. But it has no smell. But again, if it's any good, it will be in my favourites. So yeah, so that. And then we got this chocolate bar because I want to try that as well. This is chili and lime. I don't want too much of it. A little bit of it, just to test. It will be. Oh, that is nice as well. It's not really a lot of chili in it at all, so there's more lime in it, and it's milk chocolate, and it's just gorgeous. It really is. So there is nothing else for me to try, and I'm just going to go back through. I'm just going to try and find this piece of paper. Oh yeah, that chili has just really kicked in. It is spicy, so yeah, so you don't need a lot of it. Right, so first of all this is Weir tea. This tea is bursting with antioxidants to give your body a boost on a cold, dreary days. Just to brew this tea bag for 3 minutes and it will do some. Price is $2.99 for 15 tea bags. That's not a bad price if it's good. So yeah, so we'll just put that down there for now. Right, the brow gel, this one that I've just tested, is £6.99, and that's from lipcoat.com. So yeah, they do a lip coat as well, don't they? And the next item, which is just exploded in my mouth with chili, is this. This is 99 pence by montumas.co.uk, and this is £29.99 for 613 grams. I don't suppose that is 600. No, it's not. It's 36 grams. I don't know. I will work that out and put it in the description box down below because it will take me too long to work that out. And I don't want that video that long. Oops. Right. Okay, so then we got, where is the Luritzi? Because Luritzi is quite expensive. It doesn't, does it? Luritzi eye pencil is £18. So there we go, there's the price of the box and more. So it's always worthwhile getting Pinkparcel because they always go above and beyond with their box. They really are. And then we got this, which is the Cooper's Aromatherapy Care Happy Mist, and this is £12. So there we go again, there is the price of this box. That is why I always get Pinkparcel, because they are really good. And these hairbands is $5.95 or $4.99 or $4.95 with Bandizy subscription. So yeah, so there we go. So there's only another $5 there. So, and as you'll see, that is the end of this box. It's really done. And so is there any bit more information about this box? It says, welcome to your positivity parcel. Happy New Year, PP Squad. January might be here, but the blues are not. A whole new year is ahead of us, and that's pretty damn exciting. We want to get the positive vibes flowing. Yes, desperately. We need positivity from the get-go, so we are advocating trying new things and adding even more fun to our lives rather than giving up the stuff we love From vegan essentials, tasty nutritional powder to the zesty happy mist made by Cooper's Aromatherapy. Not to mention tons of inspiring content online. Let's kick 2018 off with a big adventure. Yes, there's no other way better to say it. Pinkparcel, you have actually nailed it. Really, you have. That is really, really good. We need to be positive in 2018. It's like, yeah, be positive. Think positive thoughts. That's what I'm going to be doing. And so, yeah, it's your parcel, your say. Check your inbox for a special Pinkparcel email which lets you have your say. Please take a few minutes to tell us what you think of this month's products. Each and every one of you helps to ship future parcels. Your comments are really important. Yeah, your comments are really important. Your comments, I love to get commented on my videos. So yeah, so comments is really important for me too, as well as Pinkparcel. So yeah, so it says Pink Shop exclusive, because when I shop at the world gets better. Because when I shop, the world gets better. Yep, it does. I love to shop. If you have a touch of the January blues, make like one and only Rebecca from Confessions of a Shopaholic, and head to our brand new online shop. So it looks like they've got a brand new online shop, so that looks really, really good. So yeah, from new CID cosmetics, scented essential oils and patisserie de bain lotions galore, we've got your beauty needs covered in one place. Super duper. So I think that I might have gone through it all. No, it's a bit more here. It's your body and you need to love it when it needs you. Jade, Jocelyn, fitness blogger and YouTube star. Visit pinkparcel.co.uk blog for more inspiring female-focused content. And yeah, so I think that I have covered it all. This is quite a bit of reading, but it was really interesting and I have read it all. So yes, I think that is the end of this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe, hit the notification, and that will let you know when I have uploaded another video for you to watch. Yep, and so bye bye for now.